Good morning, everyone. I know, even you can't see me, some of you can guess who I am. So if I say some words or if I sing some songs, probably you're going to say, yes, it's me, Mr. De Souza or Josias. Yeah, so I would like to talk about these things today. How can you recognize the voice of those you like, or maybe some of you don't like, and some you love? So we're going to have a kind of game now. I'm going to put some voices, and I hope you can guess who is the person speaking.
Surely someone else in this room knew that.
Who is this woman?
It's a formula for a new kind of gas, mustard gas, hydrogen-based instead of sulfur. The book says they plan to release the gas at the front. It doesn't say. Wait, front of what? I don't. I am not with you. You would knowingly sacrifice all those lives as if they mean less than yours.
Diana, let's talk.
We hope to enjoy with our friends and partners from January. And from the outset, we were totally clear that we wanted nothing more complicated than a Canada-style relationship based on friendship and free trade. To judge by the latest EU summit in Brussels, that won't work.
Ballet Duet is the last chance I have to be featured at regionals.
I thought rehearsals weren't supposed to start, till after regionals.
Well, we can make it work. We can text, we can video chat. I can even fly down after regionals and What? You miss me?
Yeah, obviously incredible. My first London derby. Watching so many as a kid and just magical. The feeling that I can't really describe and just one I won't forget, and so happy for the team and the club itself. It's just a special day.
Was it easy? I hope so. So I would like to talk about someone who had to recognize the voice. He was there with that person, but he didn't have very good intimacy. To recognize voice, we need intimacy. So I'm going to show this Bible passage, and it's about Samuel, and I'm going to talk about that.
Stories of the Bible. God speaks to Samuel. This is Samuel.
Hi!
Samuel was the son of Hannah.
Hey, Samuel!
Hannah prayed for God to give her a son, and God did. So Hannah gave Samuel back to God.
See you, Samuel. Bye, Mom!
And Samuel grew up in the temple serving under Eli, the priest.
Hi, Eli!
As Samuel grew up, he learned how to serve God from Eli. Samuel lived in the house of God, but he did not know God or what God's voice sounded like. In those days, messages from God were rare. But one night after Eli had gone to bed, Samuel was sleeping in the tabernacle when suddenly God called out, "Samuel!"
Huh?
Samuel got up and ran to Eli and said, "Did you call me?"
Not me.
Eli said, "I didn't call you. Go back to bed." So Samuel did. Then God called out again, "Samuel!"
Huh?
And again Samuel got up and ran to Eli asking, "Did you call me?"
Not me.
Eli said, "I didn't call you. Go back to bed." So Samuel did. God called Samuel for a third time, "Samuel!" And Samuel went to Eli yet again. After 3 times, Eli realized that God was trying to speak to Samuel. So Eli taught Samuel to say, "Speak, Lord, your servant is listening."
Okay.
Samuel went back to bed, and God came and called as before, "Samuel, Samuel!" And Samuel said, "Speak, your servant is listening." God told him many things about what would happen to Israel. As Samuel grew up, God was with him, and everything God spoke through Samuel came true. Samuel was seen as a great prophet of God because he could hear the voice of God, and he listened when God spoke to him.
Did you say Samuel had to recognize God's voice? Yes, he couldn't identify God's voice at the beginning, but after the third time, he could. How can you recognize people's voice? Because you spend time with them. It's very easy to recognize our dad's voice, or mum's, or even those who we would like to watch on TV, just because we spend a lot of time with them, watching, living, or even some not very much liking them, because we recognize their voice. So who can recognize God's voice? Only vicars? Those who teach IE or Bible lessons? It's for everybody. But I can tell you the secret. The secret to recognize God's voice is spending time with Him. We can read the Bible, we can watch some Bible stories on YouTube or on TV. We can ask mom and dad to talk about God with us. We can go to church to hear about God. Even during this time of lockdown, if you can't go to church, just go on YouTube or go on a computer. You can find lots of things about God. It's easy to find. He's available for us all the time. Why not try? Just close your eyes and speak to Him. Talk to Him. God, I want to hear your voice. Let's try that. I hope you can try, and I hope you're going to hear His voice. He's going to talk to you. He wants to talk to you. Just pray. Spend time with Him, and you're going to hear and recognize His voice. God bless you. See you next week.
I stand before you now, the greatness of your renown. I've heard of the majesty and wonder of you, King of heaven. In humility I bow as your love.